All right, Fred came by. Now everything's perfect.
Laying the hands. Laying hands.
He brought that electric motor back. That thing's stinking heavy over there too on my air compressor. Fred didn't want to let go of the chain while I was trying to lug it on there. What's that motor weigh?
160 pounds.
Is that all? Okay. All right, so I put a jumper wire up on here so I wouldn't have to hold this up here by hand so I can check things. And somehow Fred
Blame me.
either did it or watched me do it, shorted it out. And all of a sudden that red light down there started flashing, overheated.
Got kind of warm.
And then the smoke started coming up from the wire, and I yanked it off real quick. How long did that take, Fred? About 2 seconds.
About 2 seconds.
And so the two wires got really hot. So I was testing electrical load on my alternator, or my nitro system. I can vouch this takes a lot of amperage without hurting it. But the wire...
That would really suck if that thing...
The wire was not happy though. These got hot. Really hot. It kind of burnt my finger slightly, but not enough to worry about. But now, for some reason, it comes on and off like it's supposed to now. Every time you turn the switch on. Here, Fred, you're gonna have to work now. We're not gonna use the jumper wire anymore.
I could have done that before, but you didn't ask me.
Fred, can we use the other one?
What?
Your continuity's good. We need to go to the top one.
Well, that's where you put the damn thing.
So it's 14. It goes right up to 15.5. And then when you wiggle everything over here before it's bumping on and off, that light stays rock hard now.
Oh, I went down 1350. To 1331 and went to 12.
Are you holding in the right spot?
I didn't move it. It's the same exact spot.
Oh.
See? Went down 12, 77.
Well, this is not coming on and off. 13, 12. We're at 12 right now, but that's on.
When you start jerking on the wires...
Well, when the bike's vibrating, things happen. Okay, we have to do something different than this. Where's the other wire at? So this light's staying on, but our voltage is dropping. So this might have went down and contacted down to here, maybe. No,
No, it touched right here. Look, it
What?
touched here.
Oh, is that what it did?
Yeah, it went up and it touched. Look, it's burned right there.
It's burnt right there.
It's point right there.
Fred, don't touch it right there. Okay, put that on that there for me. Well, I can't. I gotta jiggle this around. How am I gonna do this? I can't do that.
I don't know. Let me hold the camera and you jiggle.
I gotta jiggle. I think this brown wire down here is what is giving me the problem. There.
Is it brown or red with white on it?
I'm gonna go on the other side.
This brown looks like more like
You're
dirt.
bothering me. Go on the other side.
Really?
Yeah, you're bothering me. Well, now the light's not going off though, so we fixed that problem. But the problem is we're losing voltage. Yeah, we lost voltage. 14, 15. Comes back though.
Is it voltage or amps? You keep saying two different things.
There's no voltage. See, the voltage is dropping. It drops down to 12 when I start moving these three wires around. See, we're at 13, 14, 15. Now it's about full power. Now when the bike's running, I don't know what it's doing. That's the problem. I'm pretty sure it's shaking like this a lot, but I think see the brown one is the one that's moving. So maybe we got a bad connection there. I don't know. If I'm pulling on it, it doesn't seem to make a difference. But okay. Well, either way, it was the light's not going out though now, so we fixed that problem. But now well, we're still losing power, so that's not good. It's not as bad as it was, but it's still losing power. So we still got an issue with that. Where's my big box of crap? Over here.
Big box of crap. We got lots of big boxes of crap flown around. Excuse me.
Pig.
Piece of
Fred, what's this?
high performance automotive. Electronics.
Guess what was in this box?
Junk.
That number right there.
Okay.
That one. That's the one I got, Fred. Get a picture of that. What's that? That's an FR750W. That's the one I got.
A Fart 750.
But mine's black instead of gold.
So what's the point of that?
Well, that's what I have. So, I knew the box was there, but I was hoping the instructions were in here, Fred. There's no instructions in this box. It's a good thing I don't throw away. It's 25 years ago I bought this. So.
You sound like Dick Tracy. I bought this 25 years ago. I still want a warranty on it.
So this mid-90s ignition part. Okay, so we know what the model is now, but we don't have any instructions. So that means the instructions in the house with all my racing crap, probably. So I could go in the house and look for racing instructions.
All right.
Then I can see what these wires are going to.
All right. We're
Because
gonna
right now there's that brown one there is not happy, or orange or yellow or whatever color you
It's
think
red
that
and
is.
white, dude. Why do you keep calling it orange?
It looks brown and orange to me.
It's orange, maybe. Orange and white.
How about this one? Well, the more dirt you wipe off, the less brown it is. These all look brown until I started cleaning them.
It's like, wait, colorblind? It looks orange and white to me.
All right, well, I'm going to go in the house and find me some electrical instruction sheet, and I'm going to see what's on there.
I'm gonna eat my other pizza so I make a
now,
better
in order
fart.
to get access to this, we do have to pull this fuel pump out.
That's not fun.
Now, we did fix the bolt so it comes out easier now than it used to. 'Cause it took a
Why
long
wouldn't
time.
you first chase this? See, okay, there's that wire. This is the wire. Why
Which
don't you
one?
chase this? That's the one that goes down here.
I don't know where that goes to.
No, it does.
Okay, that's orange.
Orange and white. I just told you it's orange and white, Tatro.
Well, that goes right to here. It goes up to here, then it goes back down, and it goes over to here to the ignition.
Well, why don't we look and see if that's...
And what problem am I having right now?
Why don't we check the continuity on that?
The ignition's cutting out.
Right.
This
So
is my power wire to my go box. The thing is, that's not the problem. The problem is down here. You wiggle it down here, we have a problem. Now, we don't have a problem with output here. We have a problem with output on the post. So this whole thing might be wiggling. I don't know. Something is causing it to do something.
well, now we figured out this orange and white. Orange, you glad to see me. White comes off of red and pink, which is hot.
Now, let me see. If we go over here, we have instructions over here, Fred.
You do.
What do you mean by red? Yeah, if you wiped your damn ignition box off sometime, you could read the instructions. Can you read the instructions over there, Fred?
It says ground, mag plus, mag neg. Red
We're on this
ignition.
one. We're on this one, Fred.
Yeah.
Dude, I got it clean for you.
And
Can
you
see it
got
now?
coil plus, coil negative.
Can we see it now?
Pretty clear.
What's it say now?
Clearly you don't know what you're doing.
What's it say?
It says ignition red, which is now, for some strange reason, you'd used orange and yellow.
This is ignition?
Yeah.
Ignition what?
Ignition. Why?
Yeah, ignition what? Positive. Red. Oh, it says red. Okay.
And so Captain Obvious, ignition red is usually positive.
We got
except
ignition
in a camper.
ground. We got ignition ground. We got mag.
Yeah.
We got coil, something over there. I can't read it.
Well,
Something down there with the lights off. Black.
all the camera sees is the back of your fat
And we
head.
got coil is orange. It says orange, coil. Okay, this is ignition wire. So you know what happens if you put power to that wire right now? You probably fry the ignition module down here. Would be my guess. I don't know.
But no, it's hot. It was hot before. It's hot going in here.
I don't know what's coming out of here. I assume there's power coming out of there, but I don't know. It looks like it's doing a bunch of powering, but I don't know what it's actually doing.
Well, keep your grounded, and touch that and see what it does.
Well, I think you go zap once and they're dead. So I'm gonna go find my
Okay.
my
Just
instruction
hang
sheet, and I don't know if I have the MSD instruction sheet, but I know I have this floating around. There's a big book about that thing. So
Okay.
I think it's in my racing bag.
Okay. We'll be
back.
back.